Hello, stalkers, welcome back. So, today was the last trading session for the year 2023. I'm very happy both the markets closed positive, sending out positive vibes for the coming year that is 2024. If I talk about stock markets per se, 2023 was a roller coaster ride. Obviously, because of the geopolitical situations, we saw its effect on local and international markets. But at the same time, I must say, December was phenomenal. Most of the markets bounced back. In fact, some of the markets are trading at all time highs. In this video, I will share my detailed analysis on both the markets, that is, Dubai Financial Market and Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. But before that, I would like to thank each and every subscriber of this channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. This channel is now crossing 10,000 subscribers. Yes, it's one of the biggest channel that gives out regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. I would like to share the credit for making this channel a success with each and every one of you. Special thanks going out to my paid YouTube members. Thank you for trusting my analysis. I'm really humbled, at the same time motivated to post more powerful content for you. As I had updated in my community tab, I'm working on a project. Very soon I will make an announcement. So once again, a big thank you to each and every one of you. I wish you all the very best for the year 2024. May it bring us more happiness, more health, and more prosperity. With that, let's start the video. So let's have a bigger picture of the market. I'm on the yearly chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. It means each candle represents 1 year. Let's focus on the last four candles. Here we can see this red candle went down till about 1660, and from here we are seeing a recovery. Yes, this was due to the COVID, markets got affected. Not only UAE markets, in fact we saw the effect of COVID in international markets as well. Something very important to highlight here is this area was resistance, that is 3800. We can see market was trying to break through and it touched till about 5400. It could not sustain and straight down again back at 3800. Again it tried in 2016, got rejected. We can see another attempt right here in 2017, got rejected. Now let's talk about 2022. Also market tried to break this resistance. Unfortunately, it could not, and we saw a rejection candle. But if we talk about 2023, this is a solid green candle. We can now confirm resistance is taken out. Candle closing is about 3800 obviously. Yearly closing is at 4059.80 points. Guys, let me tell you, DFM index is looking extremely bullish on the yearly chart. I think in 2024 we should see 5000 points. And now let's go down to monthly and see how the market is looking. And this is the monthly chart. Here also we can see a bullish price action, a strong rally from this area, that is 1740, and then it took resistance right near 3800. We saw a correction happening and now market has broken this resistance that previously it was trying to break, and this is a positive price action. Why is it? Because this resistance is already now taken out. After the breakout, as we can see, this was the breakout. It came back for a retest as well. The same resistance is now acting as a support, and from here we are seeing market is trying to go up. So this is another indication that market is still bullish and it wants to continue its upside momentum. On the monthly chart, once market breaks 4225, I think we will see big momentum to the upside very soon. Now let's come down to weekly to analyze further. Here we can see a nice bullish price action as well. In fact, on all the time frames, DFM market is looking bullish. For the last 3 weeks, we can see green candles. This is good. Resistance is now taken out already. This was the resistance, as I have been mentioning, between 4010 to 4015 points. Market did not take any pause. In fact, it continued going up. On the weekly chart as well, bears are not seen. We can see strong bullish momentum. Let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking. And this is almost picture perfect. Why do I say this? Let me delete these lines, and we can see a nice rally started from support zone that I have been mentioning. that was around 3920. We can see it hit the resistance that is at 3970 area. Resistance was broken, it came down for a retest. The same resistance is now acting as a support, and we are seeing strong buying momentum from here. Market did not take a pause around 4030 to 4035. That was resistance. It's continuing its upside momentum. Yes, there are chances that it might come down for a retest, but this should not be taken as a bearish move. Since this is very important area for the market, if it comes down for a retest, this will be healthy. Then we can expect another leg to the upside. As we saw previously, market moved up. This was the resistance area. It was broken. It came down for a retest and then it made a new leg to the upside. So similarly on the daily chart, we are seeing 1, 2, 3 and 4 green candles. I would not be surprised in first week of January if market comes down for a retest, establishes support here, and then potentially it can move up. Overall, again I repeat, DFM market is looking extremely bullish on yearly, monthly, weekly and daily chart. Let's also check out ADX market. And this is the yearly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. We can see a very nice, interesting price action here. Focus on this area from 2014 till 2020, market was just going sideways. Purely it was a build up. We saw it was trading within this tight range. And from here we saw a breakout of this range. This is very positive because when we see contraction of volatility, we expect a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. In this scenario, obviously market broke to the upside from 2021 till about 2023. Yes, we are seeing a red candle. Now let me explain you this what's happening here. After this strong momentum to the upside till about 10,600 plus points, market made this huge momentum to the upside. So obviously market needs to correct itself. It needs to take a breather. The beauty is we did not see too much of selling pressure coming in 2023. Market is just taking a pause right at the top, that is near 10,000 points. This is a good indication that sellers are not aggressive. If that was the case, then market would have closed below the low of this candle, that is below 8,200 points. But look at this, bulls are still holding. That is the reason most of the stocks in ADX market were just going sideways or with very small moves, because overall market is taking a breather as of now after this big momentum to the upside. If you ask me, overall ADX market index on yearly chart is still looking positive. There are good chances it will continue its upside momentum. Now what can happen from here is, let's try and understand. Market has taken a pause in 2023, so what can happen from here is we can take this as a correction candle. Once market breaks 10,300, this would be an indication that correction is over and now it's ready to make new high or all-time high. So overall on yearly chart, ADX market index is still looking positive, nothing to worry. Let's go down to monthly and see what's happening here. We can see a range based price action after this strong move from 4,000 points. We can see market made a move till about 10,500, and from here market is now just correcting itself. It's going sideways. As I mentioned, that is the reason most of you were asking me about ADX stocks. They are very slow, they are going sideways. It's purely because overall market as of now is in correction mode. If we talk about the range, then upper range is at 10,500, lower range is at 9,150. For now, ADX market is trading near the support zone. There are good chances slowly and steadily it will try to hit the resistance, maybe spend some time here and then potentially it can make a breakout. On the negative side, yes, there can be a scenario after range based trading. There are chances if support is not holding or it's not stronger anymore, it can even come down lower. In that scenario, we may see 8,000 points. But still, I would not consider this negative. For now, on the monthly chart, I am seeing a consolidation happening. So we wait for the breakout. I would still consider this positive. I will go down to the weekly chart, and here we can see many lines as you are seeing in my updates. I have already drawn support and resistance areas. Let me delete this one. We don't need this as of now. Here we can see a strong drop from 9,880 points. We saw a drop till about 9,250. Yes, one of the reason was geopolitical situation, but that's not a problem. Market has recovered pretty good, and from here we are seeing a bullish price action. Yet this is not confirmed because market did not break the previous swing, that is at around 9,600. So once we see a candle close on weekly chart above 9,600, that's when we can consider a bullish chart pattern. We can also connect the dots and we can expect continuation from here. Obviously, if you're watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning about the next resistance areas, support areas are already drawn for you. All you have to do is just follow the updates that I keep posting so that you are updated and synced with the market. I will go down to daily, and on the daily chart we can clearly see market as of now is just going sideways. After this drop to the downside, market tried to recover. Almost more than 50% is already recovered of this drop to the downside. And after this move to the upside, we saw two scenarios. Market was stuck within this range. It could not break the resistance of 9,570 area. We saw a range breakdown. Support was found at 9,400, and from here market is climbing slowly and steadily. Yes, this is healthy for the market. For the last 4 days, we are seeing market is closing on a positive note. Mind you, as I had mentioned in my previous video as well, this area is resistance that is around 9,550. Last closing is obviously above the resistance zone at 9,577. As I had mentioned, market has already established support here for more than a week and now it's trying to move up, so this is a good indication. But at the same time, looking at the last candle, we can see some weakness. Market dropped till about 9,530 points and then it recovered during the session. In case if market wants to come down for a retest, then support would be at 9,530. If this does not hold, then obviously we have a strong support area that is at 9,500 points. Overall, ADX market is also looking positive. There are good chances it will climb up. I have already marked the next areas of resistance. If you want, you can mark it on your charts as well if you are using TradingView. And yes, if you want to open an account on TradingView so that you can see live markets and you can plot the charts the way I did, link is in the description box. You can sign up for TradingView as well. It's totally free unless you want live data from the market. So to summarize, I am very positive for both DFM and ADX market. All you have to do is keep a close tab and select the right stocks that are moving. Most of the time, what happens when a stock is falling, new traders and beginners, they try to catch the falling knife and they get stuck with their positions for so many weeks or even months. I keep posting my analysis regularly. If you want my detailed analysis, you may join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description box. So that's it guys for now. Once again, wishing you all the very best for 2024. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.